previous video, I showed several items that I had bought at Dollar Tree. I have a fairy skirt with a delicate little overlay, the pencil pouch from a September haul, the butterfly from the craft section, and some socks, all from the Dollar Tree. I will use the socks to make a top for the doll, and I have a link in the description box with instructions on how to make this top. Next, I'll use the skirt to make leggings for the fairy outfit. I'm using the elastic and the lace to make a tutu. I've used my leggings pattern, and I liked the cut of the skirt at the hemline, so I incorporated that in the leggings. I cut the elastic the size of the waistline. I made a casing and then strung the elastic through the casing to make the tutu. The tutu needed just something else. I'll show you what I added at the end of the video. Luckily, the little butterfly had a clip attached to it, so I took a piece of the elastic and sewed it onto the top so that the butterfly just clips on. I thought the pencil pouch would make really cute shoes. I love the pink glitter, but I'll have to admit this soft plastic was really hard to sew, mainly because you could not iron it. But here are the shoes, and I have a link in the description box for the pattern. After I finished, I thought it needed just a little more bling, so I freehand cut a star from the glitter fabric, and I just glued that onto the shirt. I also thought that the tutu needed a little more fluff, so I took the tulle from one of the other skirts that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I added a second layer to the tutu. Here's the type of glue that I used. She needed a crown, of course, so I have a pipe cleaner and some beads. Thanks for watching.